Hello dear friends, today we will see a topic related to the rapid sand filter. We will see important pointers about the rapid sand filter. Already we have saw pointers about the slow sand filter, and in that particular video I found a little bit difficulty that the alphabets were blurring. Here I have tried to remove that problem. So let us discuss about rapid sand filter. First point is that n is equal to 1.22 under root q. Here n, as you can see, n stands for the number of units required for the rapid sand filter, and q represents the plant capacity in million liters per day. N is equal to 1.22 under root q. If we have to calculate in the problem number of units required for the rapid sand filter, then discharge will be given or capacity will be given. We have to use this formula, n is equal to 1.22 under root q. Now coming to the point number second, coefficient of uniformity, as we know, is equal to 10 d60 by d10. The coefficient of uniformity for rapid sand filter is equal to 1.2 to 1.8. Here is equal to 1.2 to 1.8. Now coming to the third point, sand layer depth. Sand layer depth, as we know, as we are aware about, the filtering media is needed in case of rapid sand filter or slow sand filter or trickling filter, etc. So here we are using the filtering media as sand. Now how much depth of the sand layer should we use? For rapid sand filter it varies from 60 to 90 centimeters. Now coming to the fourth point, d10 of the sand. d10 of the sand is equal to the effective grain size of the sand particles varies from 0.35 to 0.55 mm. And now coming to the depth of tank. Depth of the tank is equal to 2.5 to 3.5 meter. 2.5 to 3.5 meter. Related to the area, area is equal to 10 to 80 meters square. Now we have saw earlier in the slow sand filter we are doing surface scraping there to cleanize the tank, but here we are doing backwashing. And how much amount of backwashing is done? 4 to 5% of the water is used as backwash. 4 to 5% of the water is used as backwash, and rate of backwashing is equal to 50 to 90 centimeters rise per minute. Now time for backwashing is nearly equal to 30 minutes, and rate of filtration in case of rapid sand filter is equal to 30 times the slow sand filter. 30 times the slow sand filter. It means the rate of filtration in case of rapid sand filter is approximately is quicker than the slow sand filter. 30 times it is quicker than slow sand filtration, and amount of filtration is 3000 to 6000 liters per meter square per hour. This is the this was about the filtration. Now coming to few more important pointers. Cross sectional area of manifolds is equal to 2 into cross sectional area of laterals. Here I have wrote cross sectional area of manifold is equal to 2 into cross sectional area of laterals. Cross sectional area of laterals is equal to 2 to 4 times cross sectional area of perforations. Now what are manifolds, what are perforations? You can google the pic and you can see there in the pic. And now total cross sectional area of perforations will be equal to 0.2% of the area of one filter bed. Suppose we have 100 meter square area of one filter bed, then how much then the total cross sectional area of perforation will be equal to 2%. 0.2 divided by 100 multiplied by 100. This 100 is the cross sectional area of one filter bed. This the value we will get here will be the total cross sectional area perforations. And coming to this point, length of each lateral to the dia of each region. This is the equation, should be greater than 60. And sometimes we have to calculate length of each lateral, then we will multiply this to this, and many times we have to calculate dia, then we will 60 to here, move 60 to here, dia to here, and then we will calculate both the things can be calculated, length or dia. And here finally I am supposing you tell that this is my channel Engineering All in One. If you are finding my channel informative, enjoying, or a little bit it is providing you knowledge, then you are requested to subscribe it. That is the best way to say thanks to me. And one more important point, if you are trying to give me suggestion, please write in the comment box so that I can also get a little motivation, or and also I can I will try to make my videos interesting, enjoyable, and informative, more informative. Have a good day.